him so when he flips that dough. He's Pizza Boy USA.
Pasta pizza, roll the pizza. Pasta pizza, roll the pizza. Pasta roll the pasta roll the pasta pizza, roll the pizza up and all around the pizza boy. Don't get it hard. Pasta pizza, roll the pizza up and all around the pizza boy. Don't get it hard. Pasta pizza, roll the pizza up and all around the pizza boy.
Welcome back to the 30th month review of the Camaro. Today we are going to start in the support rig because I've been busting butt on this. The most important thing I got done this weekend is actually up there, that glossiness. I just slapped a ton of fiberglass resin up there because there's a few pinholes in it, as you can see in the video here. So I'm going to keep layering that and building it up and thickening it up. And once I get it to a point where I think it's pretty good, I'm going to slap probably 2 or 3 layers of bed liner on it up there so that it's nice and secure and nice and strong and it doesn't leak. Right now it's leaking, which actually rotted out some of the steel up there, but water travels, so it went all the way down. As you can tell, the plywood's pretty nasty, and rotted out some of the front of the floor. So it does have a new floor. Figured I might as well seal it up so that we don't have to deal with that anymore. Got an entire roof put in this thing, which is pretty good. It's all wood now, and it's all hollow so that I can run anything, hang things. I have actually things to do with it now. Holes, those will be 12 volt LED pot lights, which I'm also pretty excited about. I did put a roof vent in it as well. Let me tell you, cutting a hole in the roof of your trailer at 15 degrees Fahrenheit while it's snowing pretty solid out is not ideal, but I got it done. I got it sealed up. And I think it looks pretty good. It adds a ton of light to the trailer. I'm leaving now and I want that resin to breathe and ventilate. It's about freezing right now, 33, 35 degrees. And then it's probably 40 indirect sunlight. So I want that resin to dry up. So I'll lock the trailer up. I'll leave the vent open and I'll let it circulate for the day while I'm gone. I did take one of the racks out, as you can tell. I think I'm going to build a shelving unit there. The third rack is actually just at the front there underneath the bench, because I'm going to have that as a floater. It'll go over here if needed. And then, of course, the barbecue will be here in the back corner. There will be a floor jack, which will probably go right here at the back. I'll strap it to the toolbox or something. I did buy ratchet straps, and I used a metal grommet that we use in the RV industry. We use that for fastening up black iron pipe to the bottom of the trailers, running wiring, anything we need well secured. It is a steel strap with a rubber coating. And then I bought some brand new ratchet straps from Canadian Tire. They looked pretty good. They were like 80% off, so I only paid like $15 for 4, which I thought was pretty good. They're rated at 1,000 pounds a piece, and they're 10-foot straps, so as you can tell, they work great for the tires. There's no pressure on them. They are literally just snug, just to keep the tires in place. I did tow it without straps on it, and the tires never moved. But obviously I'm not going to do that long term. I just needed to get the trailer here so I could work on it. So it is here, and I am working on it. And then I've just kind of tied one of these up to keep the drawers in during travel, because they have a tendency to fly out and go everywhere. This will be a familiar sight, stuff sitting on the countertop. I don't know, it's coming along. This roof was just a lot more than I had anticipated. Height in this trailer obviously is a big deal, so I had to go around every single rib that's already in the roof. I pre-drilled all the holes on the side for lighting. I tried to make as much mess as I could so that I vacuumed up the floor and I got it cleaned up. I don't have to do it again. So that's all key things. Things I didn't get to. I didn't get the lights finished. These were actually smashed right off, and my brother just fasten them back to the wheel well, so I'm going to take them off altogether and probably just put one directly on the side here and one on the front, so it'll give it a flusher, cleaner look. And then just so much more to do. I want to panel the walls. We're going to do a nice little decorative wall board on there, but I want to get some of the lighting changed and stuff, because I might just drill straight through, pull the outside running lights off, drill straight through so that I can access the wires easier and fish new wires up and get some stuff sorted. And then obviously I have to wire the lights for the roof. And then we're going to do All aluminum capping. I'll probably bend it on a 30-degree angle or something and kind of square it off all the way around. But I'm not going to finish that off until I get everything done, so I can use that as a bulkhead and just hide everything. So, making great progress. But this is a Camaro review. So, car's doing good. She just rolled 50,000 kilometers. I'm having a ton of fun towing. It needs an oil change. I'm still waiting to hear back from the dealership on the transmission shutter. She's dirty. She's really, really dirty, actually. I did get my 4-pin wire here working. I even emptied out some of my trunk. 4-pin wire works brilliantly. And all the lights work on the trailers that do work anyways. But I have brakes running and signals, so that's key and pretty important. Car's just great. I don't know, every time I get in it and I take it for a drive, I get a pretty sweet reminder how actually awesome it really is. It's just an endless amount of fun. It's just been so cold and so snowy. We've had probably 18 inches or so fall recently, so the car's just been put to the absolute challenge on how she's gonna keep me safe and keep me on the road. But I don't know, what do you guys think? What should I be doing to this thing this year? I really want to do a ZL1 1LE replica wing. I've been pressuring ACS Composites to make one because I think they'll do the best job. And we just got to get that trailer paint matched. We're going to paint her red, put some stripes on it, and maybe put the SS wing on the back because I've just got it chilling. It's going to be an incredible, incredible race season. I cannot wait to share some of the plans that I should have sorted out in the next 4 weeks for April. Till then, take care, be safe, and drive incredibly efficiently as always.
Let go.